Johnny Rockets on Independence of the Seas. 18 bucks a person, shakes are extra on top of that. Is it worth it? That depends on exactly how you're set up, and I'll break that down for you. But first, one thing on this menu beat out everything else I've tried on this ship, and I'm not talking about the burger. Hi, it's Matt from Ports and Pensions. We're documenting our cruising adventures and sharing life at sea in full retirement mode. Today, we're checking out one of the most iconic spots on the Royal Caribbean fleet to see if it still delivers the goods. The cover charge here is $18 per person. Now, if you're paying out of pocket, that's a steep lunch. But here's the thing, we were using the unlimited dining package, which makes this a no-brainer stop. It covers your cover charge completely. Then you've got the shakes. They're technically an upcharge. We used our diamond drink vouchers to cover ours, which is a great use of those credits. You can also use the refreshment package or the deluxe beverage package. But a word of warning, the classic soda package does not cover milkshakes here. If that's what you're carrying, be prepared to pay the difference. We sat down for a full spread. I had the mushroom and Swiss burger. The wife went with the BLT. And if you're ordering a sandwich, you need to know this. They put a lot of mayo on these. If you aren't a fan of the heavy spread, tell your server up front to go light or put it on the side. For the shakes, I went chocolate and she had a root beer float. Again, with the right package or diamond status, these are a great value. Without it, you're adding about 9 or 10 bucks to your lunch. Now for the sides. We got fries and onion rings. The fries were a bit of a miss. They looked great, but only the top layer was hot. Everything underneath was lukewarm. But the onion rings? These are the real deal. They are the best onion rings I've had on this ship. I know everyone talks about Playmakers, and I'm a fan too, but sometimes the Playmakers rings can get a little greasy. These were crispy, light, and perfectly cooked. I don't have a Playmakers burger here to do a side-by-side, but strictly on the onion rings, Johnny Rockets wins the trophy. Is it worth it? If you have the unlimited dining package and a drink package or diamond vouchers to cover those shakes, I say absolutely. It's a fun, retro break from the usual buffet. If you're paying for everything, that's about $50 for a lunch for two. I'm going to leave that decision up to you. Drop a comment and let me know, is 18 bucks too much? Or are those onion rings worth the price of admission? Hit that subscribe button for more from Independence of the Seas. Wishing you smooth sailing and calm seas. I'll see you on the next one.